Hey guys, it's Richard from Rize Bikes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your circular plug mirror and your rectangular mirror. So first we're going to be installing the circular mirror. So your mirror should come with a nut at the end, a spacer with a expander inside, and your bolts here. For most Rize bikes, you actually don't need the spacer. You can remove this and just keep this to install your mirror plug. So now I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver to pry the end cap off. Next, we're going to grab our mirror plug assembly with the bolts already inside, with the expander following that. And we're going to grab this and insert it into the ends of your handlebars. And tighten the bolt at the end. The final adjustment to be made is the last bolt right here. If you want to tighten it, turn it clockwise. If you want to loosen it, turn it counterclockwise. This will adjust the tightness of the rotation for the mirror. Last but not least, we're going to grab the bolt that we took out initially and put it back into the end of the handlebar. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to install your rectangular mirror. With the rectangular mirror, there comes a clamp. We're going to remove the bolt. Inside the clamp, there is a spacer in between. You're going to want to use this for thinner handlebars so it can grasp on properly. Next, we're going to clasp the clamp onto the handlebar, grab your mirror, and place it on top of your clamp through the hole. Now we're going to grab our bolt and thread it through the hole. So right now I'm using my middle finger and my thumb to clasp this down so it tightens properly throughout. All there's left to do is to adjust the angle of your mirror. Once you have a desirable position, you want to tighten the bolt in a clockwise fashion. And that's how you install a mirror on a Rize bike. Thank you guys so much for watching.